Welcome to English Zone. We're going to talk about grammar today. The topic of today is the present perfect tense. We are going to learn when to use and how to use the present perfect tense. First, the form. We use have or has with verb PP. Verb PP means verb past participle. What does it look like? Let's see some examples. Eat, ate, eaten. Eat, base verb. Ate, past tense. Eaten, verb PP. Be, was, were, been. Be, base verb. Was, were, past tense. Been, verb PP. These two are irregular verbs. They are regular verbs too. Cook, cooked, cooked. Study, studied, studied. Do you notice something? The past tense and the verb PP of a regular verb look the same. Let's see how we use it in the sentence. I have been on holiday since Saturday. Have and been. Been is the verb PP. She has played basketball since she was 10 years old. Has and played. Played is the verb PP. Next, when to use it. This is the most important question, when to use the present perfect tense. There are three situations which you have to use the present perfect tense. Duration, we use it with for or since. Experience, we use it with ever, never, or before. But be careful, we can only use ever in the question. Completion, we use it with yet or already. But be careful, we can only use yet in the question or when we say no. Duration. Peter started learning English when he was 8. He is 12 years old now. Let's look at the timeline. He was 8, now he is 12. So he started learning English when he was 8, some point in the past, and he is still doing it now. We use the present perfect tense to talk about things like this. Something that we started in the past and we are still doing it right now. So let's see. 12 minus 8 equals 4. 4 years in between. We say, he has learned English for 4 years. We use for with the period of time. What is a period of time? Let's learn some more examples. For 6 minutes. For 2 hours. For 5 years. For a long time. Now you know what it means by a period of time. Let's look at how we use the present perfect with since. Peter started learning English when he was 8. He is 12 years old now. The timeline. He was 8. He is 12 now. He started at some point in the past. He's still doing it right now. 4 years in between, but we cannot use since with the period of time. So we say, he has learned English since he was 8. Do you notice that? We use since with the beginning of time. So when did he begin? He began at the age of 8. So we say since he was 8. Let's look at some more examples. Since with the beginning of time. Since he was 5. Since Sunday. Since last month. Since last summer. Since 2001. Take a closer look at these time markers. Now you know the differences between for and since. This is the end of this lesson. Next time, we are going to talk about how to use the present perfect tense to talk about our experience. Thank you for watching.